Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best hardwood floor restorer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hardwood floor restorer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wyman Wood Floor Polish and Restorer. Wyman Wood Floor Polish and Restorer may be the finest choice for a single solution that can clean and restore hardwood floors. It is intended for high traffic areas and employs micro-filling technology on scratches to help prevent new ones from emerging. This non-toxic solution emits no harmful odors in homes with children and dogs, who are notoriously hard on floors. The no-rinse product is safe for the entire family and saves time and energy. Hardwood floors look gleaming and brand new just 30 minutes after application. Instantly revitalizes finished hardwood floors, with a beautiful, natural suppleness and sheen that extends the life of wood floors and restores their luster. This micro-filling technique eliminates scratches from high-traffic hardwood floors while also providing a scratch-resistant layer. It not only fades existing scratches, but it also has a micro-filling technique that prevents new ones from forming. Multiple applications. It can be used on any finished hardwood surface to restore a sheen while leaving no sticky residue. This ready-to-use mix is safe to use around children and pets. To achieve long-lasting results, use with Wyman Hardwood Floor Cleaner. For details, let's watch more. Our second best hardwood floor restorer is Rejuvenate Professional Wood Floor Restorer. This long-lasting wood floor shine is transparent and will leave your hardwood floors with a satin gloss after a simple mop-on application. It repairs years of wear and tear with a strong, long-lasting professional wood floor finish. This solution also fills up tiny dents and scratches, avoiding the need for sanding. Professional Wood Floor Restorer is exclusively intended for use on wood floors. Best-in-class items are manufactured in the United States. 132 ounces bottle covers up to 525 square foot, allowing you to easily repair an entire room. Professional wood floor restoration fills in damages and protects your hardwood floors, removing the need for sanding. The Professional Wood Floor Restorer dries in 1 hour, allowing you to reclaim your space quickly. This mop-on product is easy to apply and will completely alter your wood, hardwood, and engineered wood floors in just one application. The finished product will have a satin finish sheen that is adhered to the original surface to prevent stains and spills while leaving no waxy buildup. The wood floor polish should only be used on hardwood floors. This mop-on wood floor restoration product is a market leader in straightforward wood floor coatings. In just one treatment, it will make your polyurethane wood floor gleam. Professional Wood Floor Restorer is exclusively intended for use on wood floors. After 2 hours, if desired, add a second layer. Use this Rejuvenate All Floors Restorer for flooring surfaces other than wood, such as laminate, tile, stone, terracotta, or terrazzo. Prior to use, wood floors with existing acrylic treatments must be completely scrubbed. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Finish. Hardwood floor maintenance can be costly, but Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Finish makes it less so. It is suitable for hardwood, laminate, luxury vinyl tile, luxury vinyl plank, tile, and stone floors. The United States Environmental Protection Agency has designated it as a safer choice product because it is free of potentially dangerous substances such as aluminum, ammonia, formaldehyde, fragrance, parabens, phthalates, and gluten. This polish, which comes in a huge 64-ounce bottle, adds a protective layer to the wood and fills in micro scratches, making it an excellent choice for high traffic areas and busy households. It will not, however, clean the flooring, thus users must clean the floors before using it. Quick and simple to apply to a clean, dry floor for a refreshed sheen and long-lasting polish. Designed specifically for hardwood, laminate, LVT luxury vinyl tile, LVP luxury vinyl plank, tile, and stone floors. Fills in micro scratches and evens out the appearance of the floor by adding a protective layer. Aluminum, ammonia, formaldehyde, scent, paraben, phthalate, and gluten are all absent. Number 4 in our side is Pro Care Citrus Floor Cleaner. This multi-purpose floor cleaning solvent can be used with a mop to remove debris from the floor without hurting it. This chemical-free composition makes floor mopping safer. This is a fantastic floor cleaner for any job if you have a hard surface floor. This tile and wood floor cleaner not only cleans but also improves the natural beauty of the floors. It is an excellent cleaner for laminate, tile, wood, and luxury vinyl that eliminates even strong odors such as pet pee. There is no sticky or oily residue left behind by the Pro Care floor cleaning. This Pro Care Citrus Floor Cleaner is an all-natural wood floor cleaner that may be used on wood floors, luxury vinyl flooring, stone floors, laminate floors, tile floors, and marble floors. Each bottle has a cleaning capacity of roughly 20,000 square feet. A little goes a long way with this easy-to-refill floor cleaner for tile and wood floors. Simply dilute the concentrated citrus floor cleaning solution to the required strength, spray it on any hardwood, tile, laminate, marble, or vinyl flooring, and mop. The measures on the side of the bottle make it simple to dilute the formula. Pro Care is committed to developing high-performance cleaning products that are specially developed to provide consistent results for your flooring requirements. This natural floor cleaner solution cleans your floors while being child and pet safe. Last in our best hardwood floor restorer list is Touch of Orange's Beeswax Hardwood Floor Cleaner. The Touch of Orange's and Touch of Beeswax products can even be used on antique woods. These methods will revitalize old and faded wood objects, giving them a gleaming new lease on life. These treatments do not leave streaks or dulling residue and, unlike other products, actually moisturize and enhance the wood. Touch of Orange's Wood Cleaner eliminates years of filth and grease. It removes residue and wax from old aerosols, lemon oils, and silicone-based products. This unique mixture can remove even the most stubborn filth and years of accumulation. It removes grime and stains without leaving a sticky, waxy behind. To conclude the job, apply the Touch of Orange's Wood Cleaner followed by the Touch of Beeswax Wood Preserver. This chemical penetrates and feeds dry wood for many years. You don't have to gaze at dingy, dry, lifeless wood surfaces any longer. This incredible wood preserver safeguards, preserves, and improves many types of wood finishes. It has beeswax, carnauba wax, and orange oil in it. These materials are suitable for use on all types of wood. They may be used to clean both hardwood and laminate floors. Clean your kitchen cabinets and other wood cabinets with them. They can also be used to clean and maintain wooden furniture. These solutions will bring out the inherent beauty of your home's wood surfaces.